Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Plum Green Tea Oil Free Moisturizer. This is one of those moisturizers from their newer launches, which is the fragrance free variant. The price of this product is 470 rupees for 50 ml of quantity. This product comes in a plastic pump bottle packaging and the packaging is very sturdy. It is very travel friendly. I dropped the cap 2 to 3 times and still it did not break. A lot of products come with this plastic cap and it is very flimsy, but this product is very sturdy. So the packaging of this product is really nice. The texture of this product is very lightweight as it is a water-based formula. This moisturizer is very lightweight and non-oily. This is the complete ingredient list of this moisturizer. It contains all of these good ingredients like aloe vera juice, green tea, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and squalane. And this moisturizer is also fragrance free. Now let's see what are the claims they have made about this product. This is a lightweight fragrance free non-comedogenic moisturizer suitable for combination oily and acne prone skin for everyday use. Contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide that will control oil and prevent breakouts, squalane and cacao plum for moisturization, free of synthetic colors and artificial fragrance, and 100% vegan and recyclable packaging. So these were all of the claims that they have made. Now I want to quickly share my overall review for this product, and I'm so happy using this product. Ever since I started using it to review this product, and I am still continuing to use it because I love this so much. The packaging, as I already mentioned, is great. It is very sturdy. At the same time, it is very compact. You can easily slip it into your purse and you can carry it anywhere and everywhere if you want. So that is another great thing about this product. The texture of this product is very lightweight. It's a very non-oily, non-greasy formula, as they mention, oil-free. So it is really oil-free formula. The moisturizer is water-based and it doesn't make the face greasy or oily at all. In fact, it controls oil because it contains niacinamide, which is known to control sebum production. So it does contain all of these good ingredients that not only moisturizes the skin but also overall gives a lot of other skin benefits with all of these moisturizing and great ingredients like niacinamide. And it also contains squalane, which is something that suits majority of the skin people because it is a very skin identical sort of ingredient. So this is great. All of the ingredients that they have added is quite good, and it's not like any other basic moisturizer. So I feel the price that they're charging is completely worth it because of all of the goodness, all of the good ingredients that they have added in this. And as I said, it's a very lightweight moisturizer. The texture is good. It works very well under makeup as well. If you apply this moisturizer underneath the makeup, it doesn't make the skin dry. I use like matte products, compact and all that stuff, and still it doesn't make the skin feel like dry. So it does give me sufficient moisturization as my skin is extremely oily. So it moisturizes enough and it works well under the makeup. Doesn't make the skin oily like a lot of other moisturizers tends to do. If you use a little bit thick moisturizer under makeup, it tends to make the skin a bit more sweaty. So that doesn't happen with this product. Sometimes I take 1.5 pump if I'm using some sort of hydrating serum, or if I'm using some heavy exfoliating serum, then I'm using 2 pumps of this moisturizer. So it depends on what other products that I combine this with, but usually 1 to 2 pumps of this moisturizer gives me sufficient moisturization for the day. Because this moisturizer is so lightweight and non-oily and oil-free formula, this would work really well during the summer as well. And since this product is fragrance-free, this would work for acne-prone skin as well. A lot of their newer products that they have launched as fragrance-free variants, some of the products that I've tried are really nice. I wasn't able to try leave-on products from this brand because they used to make heavily perfumed products. So but now since they launched fragrance free version of their leave-on product, so I decided to give this one a try, and this one product is absolutely brilliant. It's one of those excellent products on my list and something I would obviously highly recommend.